Sindh, the land of sands, having laborious farmers with fertile soils, improved irrigation system based on the canals of Guddu, Sakhar and Kotri barrages, latest and improved farm machinery, availability of pure and high potential seeds, with potential of increasing per acre yield. Despite of availability of all required facilities, the farmers doesn't obtain per acre yield. Though he used all extraordinary inputs in his crops, doing farm works from early morning, majority of farmers requires more knowledge and skills about improved farm techniques for increasing agriculture productivity. To fill such a gap of extension staff, mass media approach is most important and effective to cover a large number of farmers at a time with minimum cost. Keeping in view of these facts, the Directorate of Information was established in 1980 under Sindh Agriculture Extension and Adoptive Research Project with the aim to collect and disseminate latest agricultural information through various means of mass media, such as publication of monthly magazines and other information material in the form of pamphlets, leaflets, wall charts, posters, calendars, along with successfully broadcast of daily radio programs and telecast agricultural technology through local public and private TV channels for the timely and quick awareness of the farming community. The technical scripts, messages, and slogans prepared by the research and extension experts are reshaped in a simple and easily understandable language and passed on to farmers through different sources of mass media. All subjects related to agriculture sector, including crop technology, seed varieties, soil management and fertilizers, irrigation, water management, land development, farm machinery, plant protection. Beside this, other subjects like animal husbandry, dairy development, fish farming, poultry farming are covered through mass media. Television is the most effective tool and has importance to educate farmers at their houses. Sindh Agriculture Department has made effective measures for transferring crop technology amongst the farmers through local TV channels based on messages on various crops and field activities. Experts of the relevant field prepare basic messages every week according requirement of the subsequent week, which are converted into a video script. Video shooting is organized every week freshly under the guidance of experts. These messages are edited, supplemented with titles and visual effects and released through regional TV channels. TV scroll messages are also prepared and released for regional TV channels. These messages are widely watched and common farmers in general have been motivated to adopt better agricultural technologies. The Directorate of Information has been produced documentary films on latest format on crops and other agricultural issues. The copies of documentary films in shape of video CDs are available at the Directorate for Farming Community free of cost. Daily programs based on agricultural messages, talks, interviews, farmers' letters are produced and broadcast from Radio Pakistan Hyderabad and Khairpur stations. Radio programs are widely listened and department gets feedback through letters from the listeners. The Directorate has 2 film units called Mobile Zarai Cinema, which exhibit video films to farmers near their fields. Every year, about 200 villages are covered through these mobile units. A regular monthly magazine, Sindh Zaraat, is being published and supplied to farmers from September 1991. The magazine has an attractive get-up and copies are supplied to farmers at 50% subsidized annual subscription. The magazine is a regular and pride publication of the department. Some copies of magazine are sending regularly to the agricultural institutions, main libraries, farmers' organizations, and other NGOs. Seasonal publication like booklets, pamphlets, leaflets are published on various crops at the beginning of the cropping season and distributed among farmers. This is a regular feature. These are to be distributed among farmers through district agriculture offices, seminars, and other such gathering and NGOs. Press release on crop messages, meetings, events, government policies, decisions, announcements are issued to various newspapers regularly. The Directorate of Agriculture Information also assists to organize seminars. Directorate of Agriculture Information participates in the shows and melas organized during the occasion of annual Urs Sharifs of Hazrat Lal Qalandar Shahbaz, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, Sachal Sarmast, and also organized by other institutions during seminars or cultural activities, with establishing of mini stall to exhibit Directorate publications, display agricultural based messages, motivation banners showing departmental prepared video films. The farmers express their deep interest in such type of gatherings.